Hello, and welcome to our channel. Today, we'll be discussing a crucial topic for WhatsApp users: how to recover deleted messages without a backup. Your first option is to check for local backups. WhatsApp automatically creates local backups on your device, and you may be able to retrieve deleted messages from these backups. Here's how you can do it. 1. Open your phone's file manager. 2. Navigate to WhatsApp and GT databases. 3. Look for a file named mzigstore.db crypt12. The number may vary depending on the WhatsApp version. 4. Rename this file tomzigstore.db crypt12. Old. 5. Check for any available backups in this folder with dates and times. Rename the most recent one to mzigstore.db crypt12. 6. Uninstall and reinstall WhatsApp to restore the messages during the setup. If it fails, your last resort is to contact WhatsApp support. They may be able to assist in certain cases. Here's how to do it. 1. Open WhatsApp and go to Settings. 2. Select Help or Contact Us. 3. Describe your issue, mentioning that you lost important messages. 4. Submit a support request, and they will get back to you. Recovering deleted WhatsApp messages without a backup is challenging but not impossible. Remember, the success of these methods may vary depending on various factors. Always take regular backups of your chats to avoid such situations in the future. We hope this guide has been helpful to you. If you found this video informative, please like and subscribe for more tech-related content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.